Alone Diva V in the garden, planting food for next year's harvest. As I plant these seeds and watch the garden bloom, I gotta plant this
Welcome
food so my
in, welcome in, welcome in. It's your girl Salon Diva V in the place to be. Building my brand new greenhouse. Yes, y'all, the hubby surprised me with a greenhouse, and I'm so excited to start this journey. So, y'all, today is a big day in my garden journey because your girl is officially stepping into a whole new level. Me and my husband is tackling this greenhouse right here. And when I say real, a real one, not no fly by night that's gonna just break and fly with the wind. It's the real deal Holyfield right here, y'all. No makeshift setups, no more covering plants. Well, I might have to still cover some of my plants that don't go in the greenhouse. But everything will be safe for the wintertime in this greenhouse. So this right here is growth, y'all. So me and the garden is growing. So if you've been rocking with me for a while, you already know that I've been gardening, learning, trial and error, and figuring things out season after season. And let's be real, Texas weather, it'll humble you real quick. 1 minute is warm and the next minute is freezing. Like tonight, it's dropping down to 35 degrees. One day your plants are thriving, the next day they're fighting for their life. So this greenhouse is gonna help me with that problem. So y'all, as you guys can see, day 2, the husband is putting it together by himself. Yeah, your girl had to go to work, so he was a dear, a sweetie that he is, and he's putting it together because he likes to see his baby happy. Okay. So, back to this greenhouse, y'all. I'm going to be able to start my seeds the right way. I'm going to be able to protect my plants from crazy weather. I can extend my growing season in Texas. Y'all know we have a long growing season in Texas anyway. So, I'm going to be ready for it. So, y'all, when y'all building things, you got to take time. You got to read the directions. And even when you read the directions, it's not going to be perfect. My husband told me this greenhouse whipped his butt. And the videos that they have in the booklet are not easy. So he had to figure it out. So, y'all, I'm picturing everything on a whole nother level. No more stressing over cold snaps, random weather changes, losing plants I work hard for. Well, I'm going to tell y'all a little secret. I did put some tomatoes in here, and that's a lesson that I learned also in this greenhouse because it got hot. Even though tonight it's dropping down to 35, the other day it was hot and I killed a couple of my tomato plants. So that's another lesson learned with this greenhouse because it is definitely hotter than the actual temperature outside. So still some lessons that need to be learned. But I know one thing, I'm going to have stronger plants. I'm going to be able to grow more consistently and get a maximum harvest. So this greenhouse is definitely a game changer, y'all. So if y'all thinking about getting a greenhouse, let me say this. It's an investment, but it's worth it. I would definitely say it's worth it to have a peace of mind where you can sit in there and just work, grow your plants. Everything is in one spot. Close the door, leave the door open. There's a window. right, y'all. So the greenhouse is all done. It's all staked up. Has the stakes at the bottom. It has a door. And whew. So let's see. Go back. Go down. Okay, so this, it has a window that we need to fix. You can prop it up. My husband haven't put that on there just yet, but it's reinforced with the beams right here. It's nice and sturdy. It's not going nowhere. And it is hot in here, y'all. And it also, it came with a what's the name of this? Came with a thermometer. Excited about that. Got my very own greenhouse, y'all. So let's get her together. Whew. It is hot in here. All right, so if you're excited to see how this greenhouse turns out, drop it in the comments because your girl is excited. Team Greenhouse, if you've ever thought about building one, I need one if this video just inspired you today. And I will see you guys in the next video. I'm Salon Diva V, and the place to be, y'all, my brand new greenhouse. Okay, so we're gonna put these in here like this. Don't fall. Don't fall.
Salon Diva V in the garden, planting food for next year's harvest. As I plant these seeds and watch the garden bloom, I gotta plant this food so my future doesn't look gloom. Keeping it in the family, cause we gon'